Welcome to the recorded demo video of Advertisement Tax Management System for Executive Officer. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the advertisement module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the advertisement and market home page on the Executive Officer dashboard. The Executive Officer dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the advertisement and market home page, including total applications, approved applications, rejected applications, and pending applications. Select the Advertisement Workflow option on the dashboard to perform actions related to the received applications. Upon selecting the Advertisement Workflow option, sub-options will appear in a drop-down, including Self-Advertisement, Movable Vehicle, Private Land, Hoardings, Agency. To approve a self-advertisement application, select the Self-Advertisement option. Upon selecting the Self-Advertisement option, a list of self-advertisement applications will appear in the inbox. To view applications based on their status, select the related option. Outbox for forwarded applications. Special for escalated or important applications. BTC list for applications sent back to the citizen. Select your desired application from the inbox and click on the View option. Upon selecting the View option, the complete self-advertisement details will be displayed, showing its status along with options for related actions. To view the list of uploaded documents, click on the View Document option. After reviewing all the documents, click the Action option to forward the application. Enter your comments, click Send Comment, select the Escalate checkbox if required, and then click the Approve button. A confirmation message stating comment recorded and application approved successfully will be displayed. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.